Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a Google Drive shortcut in Windows 11 desktop here in your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Drive. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window before we proceed. And once you have seen the Google Drive, at the right side of that, you can see there a list of the options. Please locate with the option called Open File Location. So eventually you'll be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is you need to make a right click here. Okay. And you need to scroll down and go with this option called Show More Options. In that way, you'll be able to see this kind of option, which is create a shortcut. Click on it and you'll be able to create a shortcut in case you haven't seen a shortcut here under the type. But if you have seen a shortcut here under the type, you can make a right click, go with this copy icon. The moment you have copied it, close the window, make a right click here at the desktop and go with this paste icon. The moment you do it, you would be able to create a shortcut here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop for the Google Drive. Okay, so this is good for easy access for the Google Drive to save or back up your photos here in order to, the moment you would like to upload it there in your Google Drive. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on creating a desktop shortcut for a Google Drive here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.